Hi everyone. In this video we are going to check the limit when x approaches 0 of 2 over exponential x minus exponential negative x. We know that as x approaches 0, exponential x approaches 1 and exponential negative x approaches 1. So the denominator here will approach 0, and since the numerator is non-zero, the function will approach infinity or negative infinity, depending on whether the denominator is a 0 plus or 0 minus. Let's check the one-sided limits, starting with x approaches 0 from the right. When x is slightly greater than 0, exponential x is slightly greater than 1, because the natural exponential function is an increasing function. When x approaches 0 plus, negative x will approach 0 minus, which means that exponential negative x will approach 1 minus. Therefore, exponential x minus exponential negative x is something like 1 plus minus 1 minus, which means that it will approach 0 plus. This implies that the limit when x approaches 0 from the right of 2 over exponential x minus exponential negative x is infinity. A similar reasoning implies that when x approaches 0 from the left, our function approaches negative infinity. This means that the given limit does not exist, and our function will take arbitrarily large values when x is sufficiently close to 0 from the right, and arbitrarily large negative values when x is sufficiently close to 0 from the left. So this is the behavior of the function when x is close to 0.